Hello and welcome back guys to Tech Journal 24. Today we are going to do a very short review about the Apple AirPod Pro. Yes, should we buy the Apple AirPod Pro or we shouldn't? We will go ahead a quick review and see the features and we will know whether to buy it or not. Or is it better than the last one? So we will go for the Apple Pro this time. So let's start. Alright, the Apple AirPod Pro is the most up-to-date earbuds from Apple. They delivered energetic sound cancellation along with the enhanced design comparison to the original AirPods. This is why these are still most effective Apple earphones you can purchase today, along with some of the most effective earbuds on the market much more generally. Particularly if you are currently bought into an Apple community. The Apple AirPod Pro has recently come to be even much better variety of brand new upgrades have come with the earbud because of the iPhone 15 update in September 2021. These upgrades consist of conversation increase, which is made to assist you to listen to in-person discussion extra plainly when you utilizing them, along with the capability to reveal notice with Siri, as well as in the combination with the Apple Discover My application among lots of others. Apple AirPod Pro White at Amazon.com you will get at $199.99, means $199.99. Nevertheless, if you are an iPhone customer searching for some well-fitting wireless earbud with strong sound, top quality, you might do a great deal than latest AirPod. The design implies they're far less likely to fall out than their previous one, and the extra microphones that has been integrated into the Pro version currently provide solid sound termination, especially when we are communicating. In addition, the valuable open setting which does allow the outdoor into the best degree. Although the fit could be better than the initial AirPods, you will require to obtain using the controlling them with the capacity. Touch sensitive on each system, we found that this does take some obtaining used to. Yet it's an amazing mean of quickly triggering sound termination as well as skip track once it comes to the sound nature. Okay, so it's a second nature kind of thing. There's so much in Apple that it goes through the AirPod Pro. From the first arrangement, there is a real wireless earbud. Check your ears and inspect their idle fit. Throughout the fact they are the small air vent to make placing them in or removing them a much more comfortable experience. In other words, followers of Apple principle, clean layout and also extremely user-friendly style experience will be pleased with their facility given in this earbud. Now, the battery life is solid for Apple earbuds. All true, it's not wonderful compared to the 8 or perhaps 9th hour that other true wireless earbuds offers. It's rumored that the Apple AirPod Pro 2 will be introducing in 2022 to AirPods Pro, but it's a rumor, so we don't know. If you deserve to know it, go ahead and research to the proper forms that we will tell you in coming future. If you desire a few of the very best iPhone, Apple has made the AirPod Pro is the conclusion of many years works into a strong audible product. After a week's uses, we discovered that it was completely second nature, as well as there was an instinct to play, pause and also skip tracks. Usually this method, something that you can describe that slightly absent in the ear hold in that air vent Apple has developed in. So the seal is solid, however there is not strange drawing experience with removing the bud. Honestly, we never really felt this was a problem with the various other real wireless earbuds, so we can't discuss whether it made a huge difference. However, putting the AirPod Apple in our ears was full comfortable experience. It's like better than anything else. Ultimately, AirPods Pro is priceless for me, okay? Yet there is a lot of engineering throughout that can be improved in the future, okay? There are always a chance with a little design and also flourish that add to the general experience. It can be a very useful and very handy, you know, it's the size, the design that has been made for to keep the earbuds. It's very handy. You can put in your pocket and you can move anywhere and else. So it's so small and so durable that you will like it. Now, whether you should buy it or you should not buy it, I'll give 5 on 5 to buy it because, you know, it's give you a great experience of sound cancellation. It's keeps holding your ears so you are ready to experience one of the best product launched by Apple. So AirPods Pro is one of the best to deal with. Any questions you have, go down below and tell us. We will answer you then and there. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more of these videos.